Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a flash flood warning for north central Custer County in southeastern Colorado until 6:15 p.m. At 4:14 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the warning area will cause mudslides near steep terrain. The mudslide can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Silver Cliff and West Cliff. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks, which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks.